Hey everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are taking a trip to the dollar store and upstyling several things for my home using my Cricut Maker 3. This is a great way to personalize almost any item and kick it up a notch. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. And you know how much I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's upstyle some things for my home using my Cricut Maker 3. For my first project, I am making a planter with my address on it, and I'm using glossy premium vinyl. I created my address in PicMonkey, which is super easy to do, and then I loaded it into Cricut Design Space. I added it to my canvas, and then I sized it. I select on mat and then select my material, and I'm ready to cut. So easy. This next project is a coffee and tea station made with simple glass storage containers and a wooden tray, all from the Dollar Tree. I'm using smart vinyl for this project, which doesn't need a mat for cutting. I selected my text and sized it to fit on my jars. Next, I select Make It and then Without Mat. Now I select my material, which is Smart Vinyl Permanent, and let the Cricut do its magic. For my third project, I'm making some garden signs with simple galvanized metal shapes using the permanent gloss vinyl. I'm adding my text to my canvas. Again, I'm sizing, and I'll select on mat for this project, and then my material, and start my cut. We getting the hang of it yet? Pretty easy, huh? I wanted some graphic candle lanterns for my patio and was able to make these from simple dollar store frames and smart paper sticker cardstock. Once again, I selected my pattern and sized it to fit on the cardstock. Smart paper is amazing because you don't need a mat to cut it. And now I just cut it out. here's a little bonus idea. I made some personalized Monogram placemats with iron-on vinyl and 99-cent store placemats, and I love the way they look. This was a really, really easy project to do. I'm going to leave a link to Cricut Maker 3 and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Home Decor, and I will see you next week. Bye. And even make a address sign for your turn this off.